Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I want to make spooky nails for the Halloween season. It's one of the best seasons to make experimental designs for nail art, so let's go right ahead and make these nails. Naglagay na ako ng nail tips and pinrep ko na rin yung nails ko kasi gusto ko i-focus yung video sa design. So now mag-a-apply ako ng base coat on all of the nails since gagamit tayo ng Polygel for this set. Ito yung mga polygel na gagamitin natin. I'm gonna use a nude pink as a base for all of the nails except on the ring finger. And then gagamit ako ng white for the accent nail. After laying down all of the polygel, mag-rub tayo ng alcohol on all of the nails before filing to remove the sticky layer. This is after shaping the nails using a hand file and a nail drill. Now we can proceed with the nail art. For my thumb, mag-apply tayo ng red polish as well as the pointer and pinky. For the middle finger, I'm gonna paint my nail with black polish. For the design, I want to try drawing a scream mask on the nail on my middle finger, and I'm gonna use a white gel polish above the black one. Medyo nahirapan ako on this one kasi I'm using my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, and my specific shape yung scream mask. Medyo parang oval siya na tapered yung bandang baba. I used a dotting tool para i-layout muna yung shape. It's easier for me than using a thin brush, so kung nahirapan din kayo in drawing, try using a dotting tool first. On my accent nail naman, I'm drawing some drips of blood using a red gel polish. And balikan naman natin yung scream mask. Gagamit ako ng black polish para i-draw yung eyes, nose, and mouth. After drawing the nail arts, maglalagay na tayo ng top coat. And lastly, apply cuticle oil. So this is the final look. I'm loving the scream mask so much as well as the blood drips. Though di siya ganun ka-flawless, I need to work on that maybe on my next Halloween nails. But I hope you also like this design. I will be making another Halloween set, so I'll see you there. And I hope that you guys have a happy and safe Halloween. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.